Abaqus tutorial lesson 96. How to connect point to lines with script. The video is very relaxed. Okay, first set work directory. Okay. I have put file in the address. For example, you have Excel points, a lot of points. Okay, Control A and create txt file. Okay, my file name called and Control V, click, copy it. So you have a lot of point. How to connect the point to line? Okay, this is a script. Pay attention. This is my address. You should change. Okay, D work 20227.9. Okay, do you understand? This is my address. You should change. The code is this file. Okay, I will give you the code, the script. Okay, this. Okay, you only should change the address and the point. You should better not change the name, the file name. For example, name. Okay, the ID. Control A, Control C. Okay, command line. Control V. Okay, the line, space line, have finished. Okay, my Chinese WeChat advertising time. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I hope you're happy. If you like this video, subscribe.